Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable the administrator account in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait until your Windows system completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully loaded before proceeding with the next steps, as this ensures all the necessary system files and services are running properly. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, locate the Start menu. This is the Windows icon you'll find on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Computer Management. This will bring up the Computer Management application in your search results, so click on it to open the window. Once the Computer Management window opens, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see various system folders and tools. Look for the section labeled System Tools. You'll notice a small arrow icon next to it, so click on the arrow to expand the folder and reveal additional options underneath. From the expanded list, you'll see an option called Local Users and Groups. Click on the arrow next to this option as well to further expand it. This section is crucial because it gives you access to all user accounts on your computer, including hidden administrative ones. Now, within the Local Users and Groups section, you'll see a folder labeled Users. Go ahead and click on it to open it. This folder contains all the user accounts that exist on your Windows system. Inside the Users folder, scroll through the list until you find the administrator icon. You might notice a small downward pointing arrow on the icon, which indicates that this account is currently disabled. This is the built-in administrator account that Windows keeps hidden by default for security reasons. To enable this account, simply right-click on the administrator icon. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Set Password. This is the key step because setting a password automatically enables the administrator account. It's Windows' way of ensuring that the account is protected before it becomes active. After clicking Set Password, a warning message will appear. Go ahead and click Proceed to continue. You'll then see a password field appear on your screen. Enter your desired administrator password here. Make sure it's something secure, but also something you'll remember, as you'll need this password to access the administrator account in the future. Once you've entered your password and confirmed it, the administrator account will now be enabled and ready to use. You've successfully activated the built-in administrator account on your Windows system, giving you full control over administrative functions when needed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.